Well, today's video is for the school owners who run schools as business houses. And poor teachers, they slog for 7 8 hours, and probably they have by now become jack of all trades and also master of few. So I'm going to be bilingual ताकि मेरी बात हर एक तक अच्छे से पहुंच सके. एक सब्जेक्ट टीचर, एक टीचर या एक क्लास टीचर कम से कम हर दिन 150 से 200 बच्चों को पढ़ाता है. अलग अलग क्लासेस में. इट कैन बी प्राइमरी, इट कैन बी सेकेंडरी. And during PTM, we deal with more than 150 200 parents. All those parents, it's not that 150 or 200, the footfall is equal. However, whatever parents that we meet, 70 to 80 parents हो ही जाते हैं जिनको हम cater करते हैं. But you know what is the laughable or the irony, that out of those, even if 10 to 15 or 20 parents praise you, tell and knows you that how good you are in your profession, merely one or two parents, those who do not understand things or have misunderstood maybe something that you have told in the class, or have some kind of notion in their own head because they did not feel it correct to communicate with the teacher, they simply run to the directors and the principals and lodge a complaint, thinking कि अच्छा अब तो मैं इस टीचर का वो करूँगी, ये करूँगी और प्रिंसिपल से बात करूँगी, thinking very highly of themselves. And then the saddest part is the principal and the director, they frame a notion about that teacher for lifelong, no matter how many adjectives, how many heart-whelming messages a parent, praises a teacher, or students are how, praise the teacher and show the love and affection through their messages, through their feedback. But still, एक गलती या एक पेरेंटल कंप्लेन, एक नेगेटिव रिमार्क फ्रॉम अ पेरेंट completely tarnishes the image of that teacher in front of the owners and the principals and the directors, which is really sad. So it's my humble request to the owners, the principals and the directors that, dear owners, we teachers log and we are kind of in a trade where we are bound to get one or two complaints, which is absolutely normal. Because when we are giving our hard work, when we are doing our good, we all are humans and we can make some mistakes at time. And most of the time, if a parent communicates with the teacher directly, then probably it would not turn in a complaint way, because most of the time it is found that there is some miscommunication. Most of the time, at times those complaints are genuine and has to be escalated, which is all right. However, I'm talking about most of the cases where parents run to the principal's office and director's office. So dear owners and principals, take this responsibility, be little empathetic and understand your teacher, what kind of a teacher he or she is, what kind of a teaching pattern, behavior or outlook that teacher has, before you make a perception or judgment about the teacher, and that judgment sadly goes lifelong. So please understand that's exactly why I have made this video today. On behalf of all the teachers, I have got many such cases, many teachers sharing with me, including myself, how things are in a school and how slowly teaching is becoming such a difficult profession nowadays. Thank you.